Today I'm going to be making a crunchy taco salad. Now, if you're like me and my wife, the one thing that you miss with having tacos is that tortilla crunch. So today I'm going to show you how to do it and get that crunch with it. In the description down below, I'll put the recipe for the taco seasoning in case you want to make your own, which I would recommend instead of buying store-bought because you can control the ingredients. Let's get started on making the taco seasoning. So what we're going to need for this is salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, paprika, cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, and oregano. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then we're just going to add a little bit of cayenne, and you can adjust this to how spicy you like it. I just like just a little bit to give it just a kick of flavor, not very much, maybe a 32nd of a teaspoon, but you can adjust that based on your preference. Mix all that up. And there's our taco seasoning. In addition to our taco seasoning, we're going to want a pound of ground beef and then whatever toppings you want. And as soon as I get everything cooked, I'm going to show you the secret ingredient that gives you your crunch and is carnivore. So once you have your hamburger all browned, we're going to add in our taco seasoning. Now, whatever you do, do not drain the meat. I know the packets you get from the store tell you to drain it and then add water. We're going to use the natural fat from the hamburger as our water. So you get all that fatty goodness in there. And you're just going to stir it in and let it cook for a couple minutes, and then we're ready to go. And here we have the secret sauce, pork rinds. So what we're going to do is we're going to break these up into little pieces and put them on our plate, and then spoon the taco meat on top of it. So we're going to take and put some taco meat onto our pork rinds. I like to put cheese on top of mine, but you can use whatever toppings you like. Sour cream. If you're carnivore, you can use lettuce. But that's pretty much my go-to. And there you have it. So there's a taco salad for you, carnivore style. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you made it. And let me know if there's any alternatives that you've come up with to have a taco salad. Thanks. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.